So I was telling in the last period that we have done exercise 7.3. हम exercise 7.3 start कर दिए, but 7.2 का एक question रह गया है. Question number A. Now we will do this. Question A करेंगे 7.2 का पहले. And you all are requested to switch on your videos. मानस घर की आज वीडियो ऑन है. मुझे तो लगा सिर्फ माइक ही ऑन रहता है मानस घर का, वीडियो कभी ऑन ही नहीं होती है ना मानस? हमेशा माइक ही ऑन रखते हो बेटा. आज पहली बार वीडियो ऑन है. अदरवाइज तो सिर्फ माइक ऑन रहता है बोलने के लिए, है ना मानस? Vamika, change your name. Okay, I hope everyone has done it. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Manas. कह रही हूँ ना, मानस का सिर्फ फालतू की बातों के लिए माइक ऑन रह सकता है, but he will never switch on his video. सामिया बेटा, जब भी एंटर किया कीजिए अपना नेम चेंज किया कीजिए. Araf Solanki, same with you. Change your name as soon as you enter. Now 33 students have entered, so I think I should start. Just wait, give me a minute. 33 students are here, so I should start. Yes, so I'm going to start. There are so many students here. I am happy that today most of the students on 7th one nahi aa raha tha, that most of the students are on time here. I'm so happy. I'm glad to know that. Okay. Yatharth, now I hope you can see what is the 7th one. Okay, now. So we are going to do exercise 7.2 ka question number A. In that question, it is told how you write the names. देखो बेटा, 1/2 का तो नेम होता है हाफ. इसका तो फिक्स नेम है हाफ, और 1/2 ऑल्सो यू कैन से. इसका तो फिक्स नेम है. अब 1/3 का नेम इज, ऊपर वाला वी राइट द नेम वर्ड एज इट इज. सपोज ऊपर क्या है 1, ONE 1. So we will write 1, that is it is. And 3 is known as third in Roman form. So it will be written as 1/3. No need to write anything. Just look here on the board. कोई कुछ नहीं लिखेगा, सिर्फ बोर्ड पर देखना. ठीक है. अब the question is 4/5. How will you read it as? So the numerator is 4. So if the numerator is 4, you will write numerator as it is. Numerator को 4 बोलते हैं, तो 4 ही लिखेंगे. अब 5 को we use the word fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So what we'll write here? FIFTHS. 4 fifths. Okay. Now take out new page in your Maths Fair notebook. Take out new page in your Maths Fair notebook. Maths Fair notebook. Take out your Maths Fair notebook again, and on a new page, write whatever I am writing here. In your Maths Fair notebook, new page. Maths Fair notebook, new page again. Okay. New page. Write exercise 7.2. Do not write 7.4. Write exercise 7.2. 2. Exercise 7.2. Okay, write question A. Okay, write question A. Write the wait a minute. Write the fractional number or fractional name. Just give me a minute. Write the fractional name. Okay, do write this question. Okay, now write 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 3 is called as. Do not write 1 upon 3. If you will write 1 upon 3, that will be wrong. This will be called. आप ये भी नहीं लिखो इस कॉल्ड, क्योंकि हमने फ्रैक्शनल नंबर लिख लिया है तो इसको क्या बोलोगे? लाइक दिस यू कैन डू. Divide the page like into 2 equal parts. 1 here, 2 here. 1 upon 4. बेटा 1/4 को हम 1/4 भी बोलते हैं और क्वार्टर भी लिखते हैं. S क्यों लिखते हैं? Okay बेटा, why do we write S? Like I have written 2 upon 5. Justina is asking like 2 upon 5 is written. So the number is 2 FIFTHS. Beta, actually what is there? This is, we are showing a fraction. Out of 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 में से there are 2 parts. 2 parts out of fifth. 2 fifths. It is 5. ये जो 2 number है ना, ये this is plural. तो इसका हम लिख रहे हैं फिफ्थ में से, फिफ्थ का 2 parts है, ये फिफ्थ के 2 parts है. 5 के 2 parts है. When 5 is divided, the thing is divided into 5 equal parts. तो ये कितने parts है? 2 है. और 2 के लिए we use the word plural form. Singular and plural, you know. 2 के लिए that's why 1/3 में हम 1/3 नहीं लिखेंगे, क्योंकि 1 is a singular number. Here we will write only 1/3. And if you don't put it also, then it is also correct. Just write 1/3. अच्छा, 1/4 को 1/4 भी बोलते हैं और क्वार्टर भी बोलते हैं. Don't put an equal to sign here. Beta, you have to write the name like Kanav, like 1/3. It's written as 1/3. How will you read it as? 1/4. Okay. 1/2 ka I can tell you. 1/2 ka it will be 1/2. इसका यही होता है 1/2. Rest you do it yourself. बाकी आप खुद करो अपने आप. एक और बता देती हूँ इसमें से, ये वाला बता देती हूँ. ओके. लाइक 7 को तो आप 7 बोलोगे एंड 12 को आप बोलते हैं 12. तो स्पेलिंग ऑफ 12 क्या होती है, इसमें आप मिस्टेक नहीं करना बेटा. TWELVETH नहीं होता है. जैसे प्लूरल करते हैं ना, प्लूरल में क्या होता है, जब जैसे आपने पढ़ा होगा हाफ. हाफ का प्लूरल क्या होता है, LF जिसमें आता है उसमें VES लग जाता है. HALVES लग जाता है ना. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे ये LVE का FTHS लग जाता है. प्लूरल फॉर्म होती है ना, इसलिए. Do it yourself quickly. So I have given you 8 2 times. इसको 8 नहीं 9 कर लो. 7th वाले को 8 नहीं 1/9 कर लो इसको. इस लास्ट वाले में 9, do it 9. See, 7th वाला जो मैं have done, just correct it. इसको 9 कर लो बेटा. Because 8 already I have given. Okay, do it. Everyone, like Jasrina has made one mistake. Like you have to put one this like here like this. Okay. Do not mix them up. Do not mix them up. Now let's start doing the answers, ma'am. Okay, now let's start doing the answers. Okay, 1/4. Beta 1/4 ko please say 1/4. 1 as it is. And beta, please check the spellings. Please check the spellings. And Jasrina, right now I'm explaining, so let me explain. Okay. Don't say please, please during this time. 1/4. Okay, sorry, not S. S will not come because 1 is singular. F fourth. FOURTH, and it is also known as 1/4. And quarter, if you are writing, do not change the spelling of quarter. CUARTER, quarter. It is 4/8. FOUR 4 EIGHTHS. It's 4/8. It's 4/8. Bhavya, sit straight. Okay, so next is 3/7. 8 की spelling EIGHTHS. Check it properly. See the spellings properly here. The spellings are very important. And here 3/7. THREE 3 SEVENTHS 7. Okay. Okay, then this is 1/9. 9 की spelling देख लो. NINTHS 9. NINTHS 9. Big. अच्छा हाँ, sorry, no S. Thank you Akshaj. Thank you so much Akshaj, आपने मुझे बता दिया, वरना तो मैं NINTH because it is singular, so no H. आप लोगों ने बेटा 9th की स्पेलिंग में NINETH लिखा है. Most of you, all of you, I think so. So this E will not come. Okay, check it everyone. सबने किया ऐसा, I know. This is 2/10. 2TENTHS. Okay, sure, I got the pages. Thank you so much, beta. Send it. Check your spellings quickly. See the spellings carefully. Everyone has done this? Yes or no? If you have not done this, then only type no. Type no. If you have not done this, type no in the chat box. Not done, then type no in the chat box. Take a screenshot of it. I'm going to rub it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to rub it. On what I'm teaching, plus study here first of all. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to teach you about equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Okay. So, just wait a minute. No. Sorry. Equivalent I will teach you afterwards. First of all, I'm going to teach you about like and unlike. I'm going to teach you about like and unlike fractions. Equivalent is in the next question, next chapter, next exercise. Sorry. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay. Okay. Like and unlike. Okay. What do you mean by like? What do you mean by like? There are two meanings of like. There are two meanings of like. One is I like mango. One meaning of like is I like mango. And another meaning is if I say Arhan is like Ashray, it is another like. There are two meanings of like. Arhan is like Ashray and Arhan likes Ashray. There are two different meanings of it. Who can tell me the two different meanings of it? Raise your hands. On the video से होगा तभी मैं raise your hand का reply I'll do, otherwise I'll not do. What is the different meanings of this like? Two different meanings of like. If I say I like mango, I like apple, there is one meaning, and there is one more meaning. So if I say Ashray is like Arhan, so it means Ashray is like Arhan. There are two meanings of it. So how many of you can tell me this? Anybody can tell me? Okay. Samarth? Yes, beta. Unmute yourself. Yes. What does it mean?
Ma'am, like same to same.
Same to same. And one other like two meanings कौन से है बेटा?
Ma'am,
Two
I don't
meanings.
know the.
Two meanings you don't know. Okay. Who know the two meanings? Raise your hand. Okay, Jastrina. What are the two meanings?
Ma'am means if denominators are same.
नहीं, I'm not asking about like fraction और unlike fraction. मैं ये पूछ ही नहीं रही हूँ. मैं तो like का two meanings पूछ रही हूँ. Like के दो meaning क्या होते हैं? मुझे maths, आप मुझे पता है आप लोग आगे से पढ़ चुके हो. आप पहले से पढ़ चुके हो maths. That's why you are replying this. I'm not asking about what you know from yourself. मैं तो एक बहुत normal सी बात पूछ रही हूँ. Like के दो meanings होते हैं. वो दो like के कौन से meanings होते हैं? I'm not talking about fractions or anything else. I'm saying okay, Daksh. Yes, Daksh. What is the meaning of like, beta? Like का meaning क्या होता है? Like के दो meanings होते हैं. Yatharth will tell me. Okay. Yatharth, tell me the two meanings of like.
Ma'am, one like means is I like to eat bananas,
Yes.
and another like means
Huh.
is same.
Other very good. You like means you love something. You love something.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
like is to love something. Okay. And the another like is same to same. Very good, Yatharth. Excellent. Okay, one means to love something and another means to know things are same to same. So which like we are going to use here? We are going to use the same wala like. If I say Yatharth is like a tharv, Yatharth is like a tharv means Yatharth is same as a tharv. Yatharth is same as a tharv. Yatharth is like a tharv. It means Yatharth किसकी तरह है? Yatharth a tharv की तरह है. Okay, so like means same. And we are not going to do this like I like bananas, I like mangoes, I like this, I like that like we are not going to use here. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Like का मतलब होता है same. अब unlike is opposite of unlike. Unlike is opposite of like. So what do you mean by unlike? Same का opposite क्या होता है? Same to same का opposite क्या होता है? या शौर्य? Same का opposite क्या होता है? Same का opposite क्या होता है शौर्य? Okay, आख्या. सेम का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? सेम का ऑपोजिट होता है डिफरेंट. वेरी गुड. डिफरेंट. ओके, एक्सीलेंट. ओके, अनलाइक मींस डिफरेंट. So same means like means same and unlike means different. Like means same and unlike means different. Okay, same what? अब same हो गया and not different भी हो गया. Same what? We are talking about the denominator. We are talking about the denominators. Numbers which have same denominators are like fractions, and numbers which are having different denominators are unlike fraction. Like 2 upon 5 and 9 upon 5. They both are having same denominator as 5. That means they are like fractions. Okay. Next is 1 upon 8 and 3 upon 7. So both of the denominators are different. Both the denominators down wale. Denominators means niche wale, down wale. Down wale they are different. That means they are unlike. Both the denominators are different. That means they are unlike. So if any number which is having same denominators are like fractions, and the some fractions which are having different denominators are unlike fractions. Okay, understood everyone? Anybody is having any problem in this? Like and unlike बहुत easy होते हैं. Is it easy? No, not easy यथार्थ. हाँ, यथार्थ बेटा मोबाइल टूट जाएगा.